What's up, family? I am back with another video in the motherland. Hi! Listen, you see this beautiful view? I got the port right behind me. I'm here in Port Elizabeth. And yo, I got a video that I had to share with my brothers and sisters back in America. I'm not going to keep this video long because at this point, I feel like us African Americans, we no longer have any more excuses. Okay? We got no more excuses for what's going on in America. Two situations I've been meaning to talk to you guys about a story that came out with Jussie Smallett. He was accused several years back of a hate crime that they allegedly says that he faked, and he might have faked it, he might have didn't, I don't know. And then I wanted to speak to you guys about Chris Brown as well. But first, I'm gonna start with Jussie Smallett. So he was found that the crimes that he said happened were not true, right? The judge now turns around and decided to overturn the prosecutor's conviction that originally the prosecutor had decided to give Jussie Smollett, and the judge decided to step up in the case and give Jussie Smollett his own decision on the case and gave him, I think, if I'm not mistaken, around 3 to 4 months in jail. Jussie Smollett was outraged. He was angry. It was a big thing. A lot of people were talking about it. And a lot of people were upset because we have Karens all throughout America. Look, I don't have to deal with no Karens here in the motherland. I don't have to deal with no Karens here in the motherland, thank God. But you have Karens. I think it was one by the name of Amy Cooper who was crying in the park saying when a black man was bird watching, and he just told her to put her dog on the leash, and she called the police and he recorded her, and her accusations and her account was let go by the prosecutors. They worked with her. We see this throughout history time and time again, that they have different laws for us in America. They have a different agenda for us in America. They have a different way of dealing with black, African, or colored people overall in America, but they have a different way of dealing with their own people, their white people in America. So there's another case with Chris Brown where a Jane Doe, but we all know what a Jane Doe means. A white girl came out and accused Chris Brown of rape. You had a lot of vlogs that came out against Chris Brown. You had a lot of people writing about him. You had a lot of people saying things about Chris Brown, about these accusations that she was raped and molested. And finally, Chris Brown released his own video showing the voice notes, showing the text messages of this Jane Doe who was claiming to be raped, but in all reality was upset because he blew her off. He didn't want nothing to do with her no more. And so she took it upon herself to sue him and try to get money out of him. This has happened time and time and time again throughout history. Chris Brown is not the first one it happened to, and Jussie Smollett is not the first one it happened to. But here goes my message. I'm not here to sympathize with Chris Brown or Jussie Smollett. I'm not here to sympathize with the Bill Cosbys. I'm not here to sympathize with our black celebrities anymore. I actually have a message. Because as you guys know, my channel is Make Africa Great Again, and it's for a reason. See, at this point, us black men in America, we have seen time and time and time and time again how our brothers and sisters have been treated throughout history. So now, when something happens to one of us, I can no longer feel sorry for you, especially you celebrities who have the money, who have the resources, who have the power to move to these countries here in Africa. Choose whichever one you want. You got so many countries you can choose from. You can choose Ghana, South Africa, wherever you want to go, and use your money to help rebuild Africa. I said this last time. As long as you guys continue to stay in America, they're going to continue to mistreat you. They're going to continue to take advantage of you. They're going to continue to use you. So at this point, I'm tired of the Honorable Louis Farrakhan, who is an educated brother, but has yet to make the move to go to Africa and take his congregation and his money and his people to Africa. Now I hear the brothers and sisters in America to say, well, we built this country. Facts. Well, we just as a part of America, we're not going to pack up and leave. Facts. Africa's not for everybody. I agree with you on that. But all I'm saying, I'm getting tired of you guys crying and complaining and not coming up with solutions. And the civil rights movement wasn't a solution. Nothing got done. Sorry to tell you that. All these laws that you guys are trying to pass, nothing is getting done. Barack Obama spent 8 years in office, and he did more for the gays than he did for the black community. Nothing is getting done. So it's on us at this point to stop making excuses and to start making solutions. I was been falsely arrested in America twice. I no longer can sit here and complain because I know our justice system is completely and rootedly fraud. So I had to make a solution. And so I'm calling out to the celebrities, the Chris Browns, the Jussie Smolletts, all those brothers. This won't be the last time that you're going to experience racism. This won't be the last time a Jane Doe accused one of our brothers for rape or molesting them. But now, my brothers and sisters in America, you have a choice. There is a solution to leave Babylon and come back home. See, I challenge you brothers and sisters to read this book by Michelle Alexander called The New Jim Crow. Her talking about mass incarceration. Her explaining how the system was designed from the beginning for failure for African Americans, and how the system is only perpetuating what it was designed to do. So at this point, I can no longer feel sorry for the Bill Cosbys. I can no longer feel sorry for the Jussie Smolletts. I can no longer feel sorry for Chris Browns. The Jane Does are going to continue to put accusations out there on you. The Karens are still going to call the police on you. And like I said in one of my other videos, it is not until we restore Africa back to where it needs to be, then we will gain respect in these other countries. But they will never respect you because they don't respect where you come from. And because you guys don't even respect where you come from. So I had to get this off my chest because I'm seeing my brothers and sisters constantly getting incarcerated, getting locked up, being mistreated. You know, the blacks in America can commit the same crime as a white person, but we serve more time than they will ever serve. This is the reality that we face in America. So at this point, I'm not here to complain. I'm not here to cry. At this point, I'm all about solutions. So to Jussie Smollett, to the Chris Browns, I encourage you to come home. You will be treated differently. You will have the respect that you deserve. You will be treated like the kings that you deserve to be treated as. And we can make Africa great again and show our brothers and sisters throughout the diaspora that there's another way other than living in America. So, yo, that's my message. That's all I got to say. I'm sorry we haven't posted a new video in a while, but I appreciate all the new subscribers. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll have more content for you. And I hope y'all enjoy this. Look at what you can get here in the motherland. Yo, it's beautiful. That's it, yo. Y'all take care, stay blessed, and let's come together and make Africa great again. I'm out.